Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's vlog, I'll be featuring another credit card sa inyo, which is from PNB. Okay, so before I proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, and TikTok at RayRaynatics. Again guys, if you don't like my contents like this, just exit this video to avoid receiving some negative comments. At kung gusto nyo pa rin akong i-bash, unahan ko na ulit kayo. Get out. You're just waste your time, okay? Sa mga feeling perfect dyan. But anyway, so yeah, may bagong credit card na naman akong i-unbox sa harapan ninyo, which is from PNB. Ayan, PNB. Bale guys, hindi ko alam kung anong courier nung nagpa-deliver na itong PNB credit card ko sa bahay ko sa Pilipinas. Pero pinautos ko lang ulit sa nanay ko na ipaship ulit dito sa Hawaii. So via DHL. So mga isang linggo ko lang siya hinintay. And then yeah, I just received this PNB na credit card. Okay, so I'm not sure kung anong type of credit card na na-receive ko with PNB, but hinuhulaan ko na baka ito yung Diamond Union Pay nila. So yeah, kasi guys, meron akong existing credit card with PNB. So papakita ko siya sa inyo. Wait lang. Ayan. PNB na Platinum Mastercard. I already created this vlog before. I think that was last January this year, I believe. Pero hanapin nyo na lang dito sa YouTube channel ko. It's one of my contents here. So, ayun. Na-feature ko na tong PNB Platinum Mastercard before. And right now, I have another PNB credit card. So, ito siya. Pero, I believe, guys, na shared yung kanilang credit limit. So, yeah. I don't know kung may pagbabago doon sa credit limit ko right now. Kasi, I haven't used it for a while na. Sorry, guys, for the background noise, ha. Kasi, may mga sasakyan kasi dumadaan dyan, eh. But, yeah, my apologies. So, yeah, I'll be unboxing sa harapan ninyo. Tinatanggal ko lang yung staple. Kasi guys, story muna sa inyo. Story time muna sa inyo. I think that was a few months ago. Sinubukan ko mag-apply ng PNB yung Diamond Union Pay nila. Kasi I think I just wanted to explore some other sa ibang payment network dyan. Maliban sa Visa, Mastercard, American Express, tapos JCB. So why not to explore other type of payment networks? So yun. So ayun, wait lang. Paano ba to? So, maybe, wait lang. Guguntingin ko na lang dito sa side. So, I just have to make sure na yan. Inano ko lang sa ilaw. Wait lang. Kasi seal kasi siya. Pero, okay din para safe yung ating credit card. So, yeah. First of all, meron silang terms and conditions na pinaprovide dito, which we don't usually read it. Pero kinakailangan basahin pa rin natin, guys. Kasi minsan, may mga bagay na hindi natin alam na baka mamaya, ay, may bagong credit card na naman na dumating na hindi ko naman in-applyan. So, it's part of the terms and terms and conditions, sorry. Medyo, medyo nabulol ako, sorry. Ayun, so, ayun, basahin nyo rin siya, kahit medyo nakakatamad siya. Especially, dapat alam nyo kung magkano yung mga annual fees and all that. Tapos, ayun. So, yeah, may mga terms and conditions. And then, yeah, here we are. O, tama nga yung hula ko, guys. So, it's Union Pay. Wow. So far, guys, yung credit limit, it doesn't change at all. So, it's still 287,000 pesos. Same dito sa ko. Sa PNB Platinum Mastercard. So, ayan. So, before bago ko ipakita sa inyo yung card, so let's just read kung ano yung mga privileges, rewards, and services na makukuha ko dito sa PNB Diamond Union Pay. Okay, so let's see. Or maybe I can just na lang. You can just pause for a moment na lang, guys, para mabasa ninyo. Ayan. So, ayan. Just pause for a moment na lang, guys. Ayan. Para mabilis na lang yung But let me know na lang kung kung medyo nababasa nyo siya. So, yeah. I won't go over reading it na lang. So, maybe I'll just tell you kung magkano yung annual fee netong PNB Diamond Union Pay. So, ayun, wait lang. Sorry sa background noise, guys. Let me just go to the fees and charges dito sa website. So, Union Pay. Oh, so yung annual fee nito is 3,000 pesos. Ayan, 3,000 pesos yung annual fee niya, guys. Okay. So, let me pause for a moment na lang para may pakita ko na sa inyo yung card. Wait lang. Okay, guys, so balik na tayo dito sa video at ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. PNB Diamond Union Pay. So as you can see here, yung logo ng payment network nila, it's Union Pay. I think galing siyang China, I believe. So ayan. I know some other merchants na medyo hindi nila tinatanggap, like yung JCB tsaka American Express. I know very common talaga yung Visa tsaka Mastercard and all. So ayun. Pero I just wanted to let you know, guys, na na itong Union Pay accepted naman din siya dito sa Hawaii. No, not just in Hawaii, sa buong US mismo. Kasi I think they have partnership with Discover Network, yung payment network nila dito sa US. So, yeah. I think parehas lang naman sila ng JCB na partner sila with Discover Network. So, yeah, it's so kung partner nila si Discover, katanggap-tanggap itong yung Union Pay tsaka yung JCB din. So ayan, wala lang, guys, parang gusto ko lang i-explore some other payment networks diyan maliban sa Visa, Mastercard, American Express, JCB, tsaka ito may Union Pay na naman. So ayan, bali dalawa na yung credit cards ko with with wait lang, ayan, dalawa na yung credit cards ko with PNB. Pero, I believe ipapakat ko na tong Platinum Mastercard ko. I have no bad issues with Platinum Mastercard at all lang. It's just that, gusto ko lang siyang, sorry sa background noise, guys. So, ayun. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang, explore tong, Union Pay. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So, thank you, guys, for watching. I'm not so sure kung sorry, guys, if medyo nakalimutan ko yung sabihin to sa inyo. Pero I'm not so sure kung paano yung kanyang reward system nila. Like, I'm not so sure kung 20 pesos per 1 point ba or something. Pero kung alam nyo, guys, let me know na lang sa comment section below. Pero please lang, guys, huwag wag kayong ano mag-iwan ng mga negative comments dyan. I know sometimes guys medyo nabubulalo ko sa pagsasalita mismo kasi I just wanted for you to know guys na hindi naman kasi ako yung pang araw-araw yung nagva-vlog so yung mga feeling perfect dyan, so sorry kung ganyan kayo. But anyways guys, yeah, I think that's all for this video for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to use this card na. Iyon. So that's it for now, and thank you guys for watching, and peace.